Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to actually set up your social media alerts. So how you can get your notification in PC whenever something happens in your social media. Basically it has a relationship with the notifications usually. So first of all, let's go for example to Twitter, and from there I will go to my account. So here we are, and let's go to more, and here I will go to settings. So settings and support, settings and privacy. Here guys, search for notifications, and as you can see, you can choose here filters, both filters and muted notifications. Here, if you have any muted notifications, just remove them, so keep them on. And here preferences, push notification or email notification, you can choose whatever you'd like. For example, email to get alerts in your email, and push is for like to turn on like a label that will appear in your PC when someone sends you something. So we can use that as well in our PC and allow. And as you can see, it asks for some permission. For example, related you and your tweets, you can choose here and make specific things that you want them to notify you about, and this will apply on every social media uh, account. So the same thing, for example, with Facebook. If I went to Facebook and I wanted the notification to be on, you can just go through here and turn the notification on from here. So reset notification, and the notification will be on as well from here. The same thing goes for Instagram. So if I went to Instagram, here guys, go here and basically search for notification and turn it on from your settings, which you will find in here. So just click on here, settings, and turn it on guys. And of course that will work with any case of social media. It can work with your Discord account, WhatsApp, other like LinkedIn, Reddit. And so you tell me and it will be working with it. So simply just go to the icon that will be on top left, or just go into the settings if you're of your account and turn on the notifications alerts. So hey guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.